Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've been processing okra today and I have several caps that I've cut off. Well, I normally feed them to my chickens, but guys, chickens don't really like okra. At least mine don't. And I googled to see if KuneKune piglets could eat okra, and yes, they can. I was so happy. So this little fella right here is going to get a treat. Hey, buddy. Here. It says that they can eat an unlimited amount. And he is like, what is this stuff? I've not had it before. Do you like it? Huh? Do you like okra? There you go. You check with stuff? Well, it looks like he's enjoying the okra. So, there you go. You can always feed scraps to some farm animal. You're never supposed to feed meat to these guys. But any vegetable scraps, he's enjoying that. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.